there are so many people who speak English language, and there are so many people who are learning English language as well. And the people who are learning English language, sometimes they might have heard about, like, the person who has learned English language. Now he is speaking. When he tells his story, then he shares like, I took a long time, I took 1 year, 2 year. Some of them, yeah, some of the people say that I took this time to learn it, to get fluency in English language. So the people who are beginner, the people who are learning English language, they think like, my goodness, if a person who is learning English language and getting fluency, and he is able to speak English language, so he took 1 year, 2 year. So when the beginner listens this thing, so they just lose their motivation. They think, if this person took this time, so how can we learn in this small time, in the 6 month, in you know 6 month or 7 month, or it is not possible, they think. So in this video we are going to just discuss about some of the things, how and why English takes a long time. So if I talk about a person who learns English language, so it is up to us how we are using it, how we are learning it. Okay, for example, if a person who is just learning English language, so how long time he is giving to his English language, to his language. Okay, it matters a lot. If a person who is learning English language, who wants to learn how to speak in English language, okay, so he needs to speak more. The more he will speak, the more he will learn. The more he will learn, the more thoughts come in his mind. The more thoughts will come in his mind, the more he will be improved. Okay, so it is the thing. If a person who learns English language and he is not focusing so much, like for example, when I used to learn English language, I to be honest, I really didn't know about the worth of English language. What is English? Okay, I just really liked it, that yes, I like to speak English language, so that is why I'm learning, that's why I'm speaking. Every single day I used to go outside for a walk as well as talk. Okay, there was no one with me. I used to speak with myself, just like, yeah, I used to speak with myself. Sometimes I used to whisper, sometimes I'm speaking loud, out loud. And I used to go outside, and for only for 1.5 hour, sometimes 2 hour. There was no clear, but not 3 hour, only in morning time, as currently it is morning time and I'm speaking here. Just the same thing I used to do before some time, when I did not used to record my video. I used to only speak English language. I used to remind myself whatever I used to learn before yesterday. Okay, the same thing I used to revise that. Whatever I used to learn in my subjects, my syllabus, whatever I used to learn, then the same thing I used to repeat after going in the morning. All the things, that whatever I did, when I woke up early in the morning, and what did I do, what did I have, everything I used to share with me, so that I could get fluency, I could achieve fluency, right? I did not used to speak for a long time, like hours and hours, whole day. I never spoke, when I used to learn. Okay, when I used to learn how to speak English language, and because of that, still I am not as much good in English language as I should be. Okay, so it is the point. So that is why I'm saying that it is up to us. But I used to speak English language with the consistency. every single morning I used to go outside and I used to speak English language with myself. I used to just share some of the things. Every day I used to make topics alone and I used to speak. Sometimes I used to record my videos as well to boost up my confidence so that I could, speak confidently, right? Those days I faced a lot of problems because sometimes I didn't know that the meaning of some of the sentences, the vocabulary. Yeah, there were many problems at those days, but I kept learning, I kept speaking, and somehow today I am able to speak English language. Yes, and I'm feeling like if I talk about how does it feel, I mean, how if a person who speaks English language, so how he feels while speaking English language. I mean, does he think like, yeah, I'm a professional? Does he think like, now I'm looking like Angrez? Or does he think like, now I have become very knowledgeable? So there is nothing like that. When something we know, then it looks like we don't know anything. I mean, you know what? If a person who thinks like, I know this thing and I can do this thing, so he just he thinks like, he considers like it doesn't have so much worth, I mean, for him. Like he thinks like, it's not, I think I'm not so good and I should be more, I should be more professional in this, I should be more experienced, I should be more fluent. He doesn't think like I'm so good, okay, when he learns English language. So I'm just saying that if a person who wants to learn English language, so he takes a long time because he does not speak English language so much. And the same thing happened to me as well. When I used to learn English language, I used to speak every single morning. I used to come here as well, I used to come sometimes, and people used to see me and they used to judge me like, why this person is wandering here and there. Every single morning he comes and he just whispers, I mean, with himself, and he speaks with himself, and he walks here and there, and just goes away. Then again the next morning he comes. Every single day people used to ask me, my friend used to ask me that, why do you wander here and there? I used to say, I like to walk. Yes, I didn't tell that I'm learning this kind of things, because if I would tell them, then they would just they would make stories. Yes, so that is why those days were very tough for me. And if I had knowledge about that, like, yeah, English performs a vital role in every sector, everywhere, then I would have started focusing so much on English language, and I would have become a fluent speaker. Why? Because at those days I had time, but I couldn't give my whole time, my full time, my 100% to English language. At those days I used to learn for a little time, like 1 hour, 1.5, okay, but every day I used to learn. It was my desire to learn. I used to I liked it so much, so that is why I used to learn. So I'm saying that if you are learning English language and you are thinking like, it is going to take so much time, so how we can learn English language, how we can speak English language fluently, my friend, there is a limit. I mean, I just want to say one thing. When a child learns how to when we were child, so we learn how to read Hindi language. So when we know that how to join the words to words, and how to make the sentence, like those all the things, like if any word is written there on a paper, and we are able to read. So then when we are able to read words, so then we are able to read the whole story, right? I mean, if a person who learns how to read words, so it means he can read a story as well. So likewise, if a person wants, I mean, if a person knows how to make sentences, okay, so after just little effort, after putting little efforts, he can learn, he can make how to how to translate the sentences, how to make the sentences, how to frame the sentences, and how to speak the sentences. Getting the point? I mean, when you will learn about that, how to make sentences and how to speak once, okay, all the sentences, I mean, you have to just make a ball all the sentences, and all the sentences you have to just join. And now you are speaking, sometimes you are speaking present continuous, sometimes you are speaking present perfect, sometimes you are speaking past. So when you will join all the sentences, then you will have knowledge about that, how to start and how to speak English language. And once you know how to speak, then the same time comes your fluency. If you will speak English, the more you will speak, the more your knowledge will be expand, the more your fluency will be developed, the more you will be fluent in English language, right? So just we need to just put little efforts after learning sentences. Then once we know how to translate sentences, okay, how to translate, then we will be able to speak. And my friend, if you really want to become, I mean, a fluent speaker in a short period of time, so whatever you learn, if you are a beginner and you are not able to understand some of the English sentences, like if a person who is speaking English language and you are not able to understand, so must listen English language by some people who speak English language in a slow way, so that you could speak, so that you could listen easily. Okay, when I used to listen English language, I also I wasn't able to understand anything, okay, but I used to watch the people who were beginner. They used to speak English language, but they were adult people, okay. So they used to speak English language and they were also beginner, they were learning English language. But at that time I wasn't aware about English language, and I used to only listen. And after listening and listening and listening, after kept listening, now when I listen those people, so I think how slowly they are speaking. I mean, not the same people, but now they are changed now, because the people who used to speak before, now they have become fluent speaker. The other people who have come there to speak, to learn how to speak, when they are speaking, so now I am I'm thinking like, yeah, now my English is better than those people, and I can speak more fluent than those people. So that is why I'm saying that practice can make perfect man. So that is why, my friend, just if you are learning something, learning a sentence, like how to frame the sentence and how to make the sentence, if you are learning how to speak, so just speak, okay, as much as you could. The more you will speak, the more you will learn. Getting the point? And it is not about the time, like 1 year, 2 year, it is up to us, okay. As I mentioned, the more you will speak, the more you will learn, okay. So speak as much as you could, and listen as well. Listening is also very, very important, okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be a little bit helpful for you. So thank you for watching.